Welcome to our journey into ancient wisdom and modern life. Today, we delve into the profound philosophy of Laozi, the semi-legendary ancient Chinese philosopher and author of the Tao Te Ching. Laozi's teachings, particularly his idea of the recognition of the interconnectedness of all things, offer timeless wisdom that remains deeply relevant in our contemporary world. Laozi believed that everything in the universe is interconnected. This concept, central to Taoism, teaches us that every action, thought, and element is linked in a delicate balance. But what does this mean for us in our fast-paced, modern lives? In our world of constant connectivity, we often feel more isolated than ever. Yet, Laozi's philosophy offers a refreshing perspective. Understanding and embracing our interconnectedness can lead to a more harmonious and fulfilling life. Imagine a world where we see ourselves not as isolated individuals, but as integral parts of a greater whole. This shift in perspective can transform our approach to life's challenges and our interactions with others. Laozi's wisdom is echoed by many philosophers throughout history. Take Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic Roman emperor, who wrote about the unity of the human community and the importance of contributing to the common good. His meditations remind us that what benefits the hive benefits the bee. Similarly, modern thinkers and leaders have recognized the power of interconnectedness. The Dalai Lama frequently speaks about universal responsibility and the need for a compassionate global society. His teachings resonate with Laozi's vision, emphasizing that our shared humanity binds us together. In the business world, leaders like Howard Schultz, former CEO of Starbucks, have built successful enterprises based on the principle of interconnectedness. Schultz emphasizes that businesses should care for their employees, customers, and communities, understanding that their success is intertwined. But how do we apply Laozi's philosophy to our daily lives? Start with mindfulness. By being present and aware, we can better understand our connection to the world around us. Simple practices like meditation, mindful breathing, or spending time in nature can help us cultivate this awareness. When we pause and reflect, we begin to see the invisible threads that link our experiences and actions to a larger whole. Next, practice empathy. Recognize that everyone is on their own journey, yet we are all interconnected. Small acts of kindness and understanding can have a profound impact, creating a positive ripple effect. When we listen deeply and respond with compassion, we honor the interconnectedness that Laozi spoke of. Additionally, embrace sustainability. Our environment is a crucial part of our interconnected web. By making eco-friendly choices, we honor our connection to the earth and future generations. Every choice we make, from reducing waste to supporting renewable energy, reflects our commitment to the interconnected health of our planet. Laozi's recognition of interconnectedness is not just a philosophy, it's a way of life. It encourages us to see beyond ourselves, fostering a sense of unity and purpose. In a world where division often seems to dominate, this ancient wisdom reminds us of our shared bond and collective potential. So, let's embrace Laozi's wisdom. Let's acknowledge our interconnectedness and let it guide us towards a more compassionate, sustainable, and harmonious world. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this exploration insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos on ancient wisdom and modern life. Together, we can create a world that reflects the beauty of our interconnectedness.